Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my lovely students. I hope all of you are fine and in the blessings of Allah. Class Prep, your teacher Sanya Salma welcomes you in English lesson. Are you ready? Oh look, what is this? Yes, this is a picture of a room. Let's revise. इस picture में क्या है? Yes, in this picture there is a bed, a car, pillows, windows और बहुत कुछ है. हमने इन चीजों की नेम्स को क्या कहा था? Yes, tell me, what are the naming words called? You are right, nouns. The name of any person, place and things are called nouns. So let's start our today's lesson with an activity. Look what I have. Yes, I have poster paints. I know you are getting bored after staying at home. So start our painting. जी, तो आप सबसे पहले बताएं आपको क्या चाहिए? पेंटिंग के लिए सबसे पहले पेंट्स चाहिए, then brushes, 1, 2, 3 brushes and a bowl of water, paper. Yes, you all know that these are all nouns. अब हम देखते हैं कौन कौन से noun काउंट हो सकते हैं. So count poster paints with me. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये नाउन तो हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. Now count with me 1, 2, 3 brushes. These are noun are also countable. चलिए अब आप मुझे बताएं पानी को काउंट कर सकते हैं? No, हम तो वाटर काउंट कर नहीं सकते. So this is uncountable noun. Let's move forward and look some other nouns. First is pencils. Count with me 1, 2, 3, 4. ये तो काउंट हो सकते हैं. जो नाउन काउंट हो सकते हैं, these are countable nouns. Countable nouns. Next is candies. Yum 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 yum. Count with me 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candies. These are also countable nouns. Next is cycle. Count with me 1 cycle. This is also countable noun. Next, fruits. Count with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you are right. It is also countable noun. Next is beds. Count with me 1, 2, 3, 4 beds. Can we count? Yes, these are also countable nouns. So children, countable nouns, the nouns which are countable are called countable nouns. जिन nouns को हम count कर सकते हैं हम उनको कहते हैं countable nouns. Now we are going to see some more nouns. अब देखते हैं कि nouns कैसे हैं. First is word. क्या हम इनको काउंट कर सकते हैं? नहीं ना? तो जिस नाउन को हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते उसको हम कहते हैं uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. Next is rice. Rice. Can we count rice? No. It is uncountable noun. Next is tea. Can we count? नहीं ना? No, we cannot count. It is also uncountable noun. Next is milk. क्या आप दूध पीते हैं? We can't count milk. So, it's also an uncountable noun. Last is grass. ये तो सबने देखी है. Grass. क्या आप इसको काउंट कर सकते हैं? Absolutely right. We can't count grass. It is uncountable noun. So children, uncountable noun are those nouns which are uncountable. The nouns which are uncountable are called uncountable nouns. जी, जो nouns हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते उनको हम कहते हैं uncountable nouns. So, our topic is countable and uncountable nouns. जी बच्चों, तो आज के लेसन में हमने क्या सीखा? We have learned the noun which are countable are called countable nouns and the nouns which are uncountable are called uncountable nouns. Read with me. Book, page number 44. First word is chalk. Chalk. String. 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 Wood. Wood. Paper. Paper. Soap. Soap. Water. Water. Sand. Sand. Grass. Grass. Milk. Milk. Ink. Ink. Salt. Salt. Rice. Rice. Bread. Bread. Tea. Tea. Soup. Soup. Coffee. Coffee. क्या हम इन सब nouns को काउंट कर सकते हैं? नहीं ना? So these are all uncountable nouns. Read with me. A piece of chalk. A piece of string. A piece of wood. A piece of paper. A bar of soap. A grain of sand. A grain of rice. A bowl of soup. A glass of water. A pinch of salt. A blade of grass. A bottle of milk. A bottle of ink. a cup of tea, a slice of bread, a cup of coffee. It's time to do some interesting work. I have some countable and uncountable nouns for you. You have to choose the correct nouns and write in appropriate column. Choose the words and write them in their appropriate column. First word is so. Now you will tell me so countable noun में आएगा या uncountable noun में आएगा? Yes, you are right. Soap is uncountable noun. Next is chair. Tell me, it is countable or uncountable? Yes, you are right. It is countable noun. Sand. 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 Tell me, it is uncountable or countable? Yes, it is uncountable noun. Tea. Tea is also uncountable. Quilt. Quilt. Yes, quilt is countable. Wood. Tell me, it is countable or uncountable? Yes, you are right. It is uncountable noun. Bags. This is countable. Good. Rice. It is uncountable noun. Pen. It is countable. Absolutely right. Table. We can count it. It is countable noun. You are right. I am going to tell you something more interesting. जी बच्चों, when we ask question about countable noun, we use how many. We use how many. जब हम countable noun के बारे में क्वेश्चन करते हैं तो हम यूज करते हैं how many. Like, how many books are on the table? How many candies are in the jar? And children, when we ask question about uncountable noun, we use how much. जब हम uncountable noun के बारे में क्वेश्चन करते हैं तो हम यूज करते हैं how much. How much, like how much rice are in the plate? How much water is in the glass? Children, with countable noun we use how many, and for uncountable noun we use how much. काउंटेबल नाउन के साथ हम यूज करते हैं how many, और अनकाउंटेबल नाउन के साथ हम यूज करते हैं how much. How much. It's notebook work time. You have to write 5 nouns in each column. 5 countable nouns and 5 uncountable nouns like this. You have to complete your work neat and clean. You can write any 5 countable and uncountable noun. Now it's time for home assignment. Learn reading dictation page 44. It's all about our today's lesson. Take care of yourselves. Thank you. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.